Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Colossal Cauliflower Crepes. But what's the secret ingredient? One colossal cauliflower. The Bumble Nums are on their way to the mysterious Colossal Island to pick a colossal cauliflower. Are you excited, Humble?
Yum!
What about you, Grumble?
Yum, yum.
And you, Stumble? Yum!
Ho, ho, ho.
Yum!
There it is, Bumble Nums. Colossal Island.
Yum!
Yum!
Yum! Yum!
Yum! Did you hear that, Bumble Nums? That was the colossal cauliflower.
Yum!
Now remember, Bumble Nums, you need one colossal cauliflower for your colossal cauliflower crepes. Go up and get it. Yum! You found the colossal cauliflower, and it's asleep. It's time to pick it.
Yum!
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 One.
Yum!
Well, Bumble Nums, I guess you can't win them all.
Yum, yum.